All right, so let's do some more animal signs. So we know the sign for farm. Then there's the sign for zoo. So you just spell it out, Z-O-O. And then ocean, where animals can live as well. So you just kind of show the waves of the ocean. So in the ocean, we could have an octopus. So cute. And a fish. And then we can also have a dolphin. So some people will do a fish that jumps, very descriptive. Or you have your water here, and then you make the letter D, and then you show, sort of the quick in and out of the dolphin. So totally up to you. Along those same lines, whale. So you can have your water line there, and then again a W. And instead of doing the quick in and outs like the dolphin, because the whales are bigger, you do sort of like just maybe one. Or you can use your Y hand, and then this represents their tail. So it comes down and it slaps on the water. That one's kind of my favorite. I like that one. And then a seal, like this, okay? So cute. So at the zoo, we could see a giraffe, we could see an elephant, tiger, lion, monkey. Also, what about a squirrel? Or, a deer and a moose, because we're here in Canada. Moose. I'm here in Canada anyways. Deer and moose. So very good. So those were some more animal signs. We have ocean, and in the ocean there's octopus, and there's fish, and there could be dolphins, which are fish that jump, or of course the letter D. Whale, so you can do the Y hand that comes down and smacks on the water, or back to this water line here, and then the W, and it does maybe one little scoop in. All right, so zoo, Z-O-O, where you could see a giraffe, you could see an elephant, you could see a tiger, lion, monkey, and you may also see just out and about squirrels, and some other ones could be deer and moose. Great job.